The high cost of microscopes prevents their use in many public schools, and the kids are left without the wonder of seeing the world beyond the naked eye. The MicroActive shell allows the user to interact with the slide which is displayed on their phone screen, and our system provides students with the same microscope experience for just a fraction of the cost. Hi, I'm Chase Mattingly, and throughout the summer, I've been working with Alex Romanowski on MicroActive microscopes. I realized that when working on a project you're passionate about, the one impossible thing to do is sticking with the original design. As an entrepreneur, you constantly have second thoughts and have to reiterate your design. Having interviewed several teachers across the country, I've become a better note taker and interviewer. Having taken the Hatchery and doing a class during the summer, it's been hard for me to dedicate large amounts of time to the project, and I've had to drastically improve my time management skills. Although Alex and I believed our project was straightforward and we would somewhat easily be able to program and design our project, we have had several obstacles along the way that have made the project more difficult than we originally thought. These obstacles have made me a better entrepreneur, all thanks to the Hatchery. Thank you.